Hey y'all, welcome. Happy Wednesday to everyone. Let me turn around here. I'm out here enjoying this beautiful weather in my backyard here and looking at this beautiful peach tree we got back here. Let me show you all. All right, y'all, look at that tree there. Y'all, this is the first time it has bared fruit in a couple of years. So we are excited about it. Very excited about it. Yes. Okay, y'all. So today I'm going to share with you all an inexpensive and simple way on how you can create some nice centerpieces for your countertops and your tables. So let's go. Okay, so first up, I have this nice, beautiful set of orchids I had put in a vase that I had purchased from TJ Maxx a couple of years ago. It's a copper vase, I believe. And what I had got along with it is these nice little, I don't know what the name you call them, but it's like a little vine. Um, shoot. It's a vine type of plant. I don't know. But I saw it at Walmart, paid like $4 for maybe, I think it's two of them. And I just felt like that would have been a nice combination for those two to be put together in a vase. So, yeah, very simple. Okay, so here what I have is a clear vase filled with some vase fillers that I purchased from Walmart. They come in different colors, different shapes. And I have this candle jar that I had got from TJ Maxx. And I just put a few of those fillers in it and put that pretty flower on top just to give it a little pop of color and some texture to go along with it. And of course I have my Bath and Body Works candle and my soap dish jar. Now this here I had purchased from Walmart also. It's a metal serving tray. I think I paid like $12 for it. Nice texture to go along on the counterpiece along with this clay candle holder. Okay, y'all, I just want to show you this Bath and Body Works candle that I had purchased. This smells so good. The white tea and sage, it smells like spring. I love it. But I also have this one here that smells just as good. And this is sun-drenched linen. Oh my God, it smells so good. These candles are not overpowering. And I love it. But I think I'm gonna go with that one instead. And this soap dish jar, I used to have soap in it, but now I just have hand sanitizer in it, so I think that will go great on this tray as well. Okay, I want to step out here for a second and just show you how I got things set up in the front of my house. We barely use this door. We usually use everything in the back. But anyway, so what I have here is these nice little beautiful fern plants that I have purchased off Kroger's. Very low maintenance and easy to take care of. Okay, this wreath here I had made last year. I had got these flowers from Dollar Tree and Walmart combined, along with the pumpkins. And I got everything tied down with crafting wire, so no glue was used on this. Very pretty colors for the summer and spring. This welcome sign here I had made myself. The letters were purchased off Amazon. and I had painted them white. The board I had got from McCoy's, and I had someone to sand it down and seal it for me. That oak can be taken off and be interchanged with something like a small reef if you want to put it there. All right, and this planter, I got these ferns sitting in. I got that from Dollar General. Paid $12 for them. I love the texture and the color on them. Okay, y'all, it's one more thing I want to show you all before I go. Look at this beautiful magnolia tree here. Big old tree in front of my house. But y'all, it has the most beautifulness. Look at that flower. Look at those flowers.
Let me see.
Look how pretty that is.
Let me see.
Ooh. If I could just, I don't know what I'd do with it. If I can just pull it off and put it in something. I don't know if it'll last or not, but I'm just so in love with it. Beautiful. Happy spring, you all. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all take care.